Hello guys and welcome back for another video. Today we are ranking the top 3 video recorders or screen recorders on computer for free without watermark. So let's get straight into it. Now for the first one I want to show you is Clipchamp. Now I'm actually recording this video on Clipchamp as you can see here. So if I drag this window here, I am actually recording on Clipchamp. So you will see the quality of the video. It records in 1080p and 60 fps. So for basic video editing and daily usage, Clipchamp is perfect for me. So this is the free version that I'm using right now, but you can also upgrade to the Pro version for the 4K resolution and 120 FPS. Now let's go on to the second one, which is CapCut. Now here, if you see, I am already on a CapCut project, so I can go on to record here. So let's just click on record and then select a screen basically to record on. So let's select this one, for example, and then click on start recording. Now the record of CapCut will be in 720p and 30 fps. I honestly don't know how to fix that, even though it says 1920 by 1080p here, but I don't feel like this is 1080p. Okay, you can see some of my other tutorials on how to screen record on CapCut. You will see that the quality isn't that great. Okay, so I don't advise you to use CapCut for professional videos. It's just great. Okay, it's a solution if you want to start screen recording, but it's nothing really perfect. Okay, now let's go on to the third one, which is OBS Studio. So you have obviously heard of it, surely heard of it. So let me open OBS Studio real quick. Now while we wait for it to be opening, so OBS Studio is a streaming software, but you can also use it as a screen recording. So as you can see here, I can screen record whatever I want on OBS. So I'm going to remove this media source. I can go to sources here and then go to display capture. And then here, for example, monitor 1, as I have 2 monitors, but you can just leave it as is. So monitor 1 and click on OK. And then here I choose the capture method, automatic, and then in the display select the display that you want. Let's say for this one, for example. So let's click on OK. So as you can see here, it records in 1080p and 30 fps, but I think you can change that in the settings. In my opinion, the 1080p 30 fps is just enough for daily usage, but if you are recording gameplays or you are streaming something bigger, or just something that needs 60 fps, then it will maybe be a bit of a struggle. So in my opinion, Clipchamp stays the best in these 3 apps, but you can also use these 2 if you want something else to work with. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.